Are you looking to improve your digestion, boost your heart health, or simply add more nutrient-rich foods to your diet? You're in the right place! Today, we're diving into the top high-fiber foods that you should be adding to your shopping list. Trust me, these foods are game changers for your health. Stick around to find out which ones made the cut! First up, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds pack a huge punch with 34.4 grams of fiber per 100 grams. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which support digestion, heart health, and blood sugar control. Studies even suggest chia seeds can boost your lipid profile. Next, we have lentils, with 16.6 grams of fiber per 100 grams. Lentils are not only fiber-rich, but also loaded with protein and essential nutrients. They're fantastic for promoting digestive health, keeping you full, and managing cholesterol levels. Black beans are another fiber superstar, offering 8.27 grams per 100 grams. They aid in digestion, blood sugar regulation, and weight management, making them a perfect addition to your diet. Peas provide 6.3 grams of fiber per 100 grams and are great for your gastrointestinal health. They also support digestive health, blood sugar control, and satiety. Almonds are a tasty and healthy snack, offering 13 grams of fiber per 100 grams. They're packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, promoting heart health, weight management, and energy levels. Avocado is a versatile fruit with 6.7 grams of fiber per 100 grams. It's great for heart health, satiety, and skin health, thanks to its healthy fats and essential nutrients. Oats are a breakfast staple for a reason. With 3.5 grams of fiber per 100 grams, they're excellent for cholesterol management, blood sugar control, and digestive health. Additionally, they also have anti-cancer properties. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain that offers 14.6 grams of fiber per 100 grams. It's high in protein and essential nutrients, supporting digestion, satiety, and energy levels. Broccoli provides 2.6 grams of fiber per 100 grams, along with vitamins and antioxidants. It promotes digestive health, immune function, and inflammation reduction. Brussels sprouts are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, offering 4.22 grams of fiber per 100 grams. They support gut health, digestion, and inflammation reduction. Artichokes may have less fiber at 1.2 grams per 100 grams, but they're packed with antioxidants and vitamins, promoting liver health, digestion, and inflammation reduction. Pumpkin seeds are a high-fiber snack with 6.5 grams per 100 grams. They also provide protein and healthy fats, aiding in digestion, heart health, and immune function. Barley offers 15.6 grams of fiber per 100 grams and can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. Chickpeas, with 7.6 grams of fiber per 100 grams, are great for satiety and weight management. They can be used in dishes like hummus, soups, and curries. Sweet potatoes provide 4 grams of fiber per 100 grams and are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. They support gut health, skin health, and sustained energy. Flax seeds offer 26.1 grams of fiber per 100 grams and are high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. They promote digestion, heart health, and inflammation reduction. Pears provide 4.5 grams of fiber per 100 grams. They support gut health, digestion, and skin health, making them a great high-fiber dessert option. Spinach offers 2.3 grams of fiber per 100 grams and is a good source of iron and vitamins. It promotes bone health and reduces the risk of anemia. And there you have it, some of the best high-fiber foods to incorporate into your diet. Fiber is essential for weight loss, healthy digestion, and overall wellness. By adding these foods to your daily meals, you can easily meet your fiber needs and enjoy the numerous health benefits they offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and recipes. Do you have any favorite high-fiber foods or recipes? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.